This is Composable AIBIZ, where every name is a service and every project is a composition. Any .AIBIZ business can plug into any other as a sub-SLD. Combine SIA.AIBIZ with Dubai.AIBIZ and you get SIA.Dubai.AIBIZ, legal, plugged straight into the project. The problem today is that every project builds the same things alone. New ventures rehire legal, rebuild finance, and redo compliance from zero. Trust doesn't carry, each partner is vetted again every time. Names are islands. The big idea, any SLD can become a sub-SLD of another and deliver its service there. A service plugs into a project and becomes service.project.AIBIZ. It stays its own business, keeping its owner, treasury, agents, and reputation. But now it works as a plug-in. A worked example, how a legal service joins a city project. SIA.AIBIZ is a chartered accountant service that provides legal verification. Dubai.AIBIZ is a company formation project that needs trusted, in-context legal help. Mount one under the other, and you get SIA.Dubai.AIBIZ. So a project becomes a stack of plug-in services. Under Dubai.AIBIZ, you mount legal, finance, compliance, visas, logistics, and marketing. Each one a real business, assembled into a single operation. And it's trusted because reputation plugs in with the service. When SIA.AIBIZ mounts into a project, everything it has earned comes with it. The project inherits trust on day one with no vetting from scratch. Its soul-bound reputation badges travel along. Every link in the chain gets paid. When a composed service runs, on-chain settlement splits the payment automatically. 70% to the service provider who did the work, 20% to whoever routed the demand, and 10% to the name it runs under. If you offer a service, one expertise, infinite placements. Build your service SLD once, then mount it into every project that needs it, and your reputation compounds across all of them, earning 70% on every job. If you build a project, assemble a real operation in minutes. Pick verified service SLDs like building blocks. Claim your project name, then plug in the services, and launch with legal, finance, and compliance already wired in and trusted. It's the same model in every domain. Company formation, real estate, e-commerce. Each one composes verified services into a single, trusted flow. And it compounds. More services attract richer projects. Richer projects attract more demand. More demand pulls in more providers. Every new service makes every project more capable. That's the moat, a network that builds itself. Composability turns a directory of names into a living economy, and the graph of who serves whom only grows, getting harder to leave or to copy. So make your name part of something bigger. Offer a service or compose a project and earn on every link on chain. Start at AIBIZ.1BZ.biz.